Good afternoon, YouTube. We're going to do a quick overview on a new item we just purchased for our RV travel trailer. Been some time we've been seeing posts from other individuals on camping sites regarding trailers being stolen and just all around, bad people doing things they shouldn't be doing, with the trailers out there. And I figured we have some of the standard locks on our trailer right now, which are not some of the best in the industry. They're easily defeatable with pry bars and hammers. And so I figured let's go ahead and just put a really good lock on our new investment, a little for a better peace of mind. So we did a little bit of research and we found one of the best locks out there. Come in this nice size box right here. And then we'll kind of just show you what it is and then show you how it goes on and go from there. So this is the Proven Industries lock for our travel trailer that we just bought. And I gotta say, right off the bat, this box weighs about 10 pounds. Let's go ahead and pull this out here and we'll see what it entails. So this is a 3-piece lock system for our specific travel trailer. There are other models available, so do make sure you consult when you are purchasing one of these that you are buying the correct version. Okay, this does consist of a puck lock with a one of the tumbler type, the round keys, an outer shell, and this is 1/4 inch hardened steel. This is not the typical aluminum or zinc type locks that you'll find on most of the trailer locks that are out there. And this is the third piece, which is the inner piece. And this actually will store your chains as well and locks the chains up inside of this unit. And this also is 1/4 inch hardened steel. Yeah, so quite simply, before we show the video of putting this on, you simply connect this piece up into your trailer hitch. You put your chains through here, opposite sides and through there, so it keeps the low profile. And these are the guidance tabs on the back. And then you simply align it over this piece and you put the puck lock on the front. So we did a lot of research on the type of locks that were out there and the ones that were not the easiest to defeat. And if you do have something that's worthwhile and you want to keep, definitely don't put this lock on it. Use the other simpler locks if you're looking for it to magically disappear. But this lock right here for the trailer hitch, I have to say I've watched some videos on people trying to get this off and this thing does withstand it. So being the 1/4 inch hardened steel, they took pry bars to it, sledgehammers to it, and sawzalls to it, and still couldn't get it off. So the typical locks that you see on the travel trailers today were easily defeated within under a minute with just a pry bar. So we were definitely looking for something to secure our trailer and any future items that we do buy, such as the boat we have. We'll be putting one of these on the boat as well. This is a little bit extra peace of mind knowing that you do have a very good lock on your trailer. Just the amount of thefts that have been going on regarding travel trailers, just disappearing and then finding them, 2 months later, just destroyed out in the woods. It's pretty sad. So we want to make sure that we put a really good lock on our travel trailer because we really do enjoy it. I have to say the product is very well made. The welds are machined welds. They're actually very nice. It's actually very well thought out design. Yeah, and you can tell just, I mean, by the quality of these materials, these are going to be very hard to defeat by your average thief. This version of the lock that we did buy for our travel trailer is the 2516 model. They have various other models as well, so please consult with their website if you are going to purchase one of these, the correct model that you will need to accommodate the tongue on the trailer. The locks do come in the pucks do come in various different colors, orange, blue, purple, silver. So, you know, pick the color that you like the best. And if you're buying more than one lock or one type of lock or puck lock, you can get them keyed on their website alike, so you don't have multiple different keys. In the event you don't have it right off the bat, you just buy one lock, and then later down the line you buy another lock. They do sell the option to just buy locks, puck locks, so you can just get new locks, so they're both keyed alike if you buy them at different times. All right, so we will go ahead and go out to the trailer, and we will put this Proven Industries lock on the trailer and check it out from there. So this is the current setup we have on the trailer. As you can see, we have a master lock on here. Lock that down, and then I think these are just aluminum, and the pry bar just easily takes that off. So what we'll go ahead and do is what we're going to be replacing and putting the new hitch lock on. So go ahead and take this stuff off and then get the new one going. All right, so what we'll go ahead and do is take our inner piece here, the inner diameter. We'll take our chains off. And then we'll go ahead and wrap these chains up on the front side here. And we'll clip them on. And we'll do alternating sides. Like so. Drop it up into here. Snap it down. Just like that. We'll take the front piece. We'll then guide it in to the back here, like so. And you see the front tabs line up. And then we'll take our puck lock, slap it on, lock it in. Done. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this quick video on a better way, a more secure way to lock your travel trailer. I'd like to thank everyone for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.